Making a website responsive in Framer involves ensuring that the layout adapts to different screen sizes, such as mobile, tablet, and desktop. Here's how to do it. Use Flexbox and Grid layouts. Framer offers Flexbox and Grid layouts, which are essential for responsive designs. These layouts allow you to control how elements resize and align depending on the screen size. Adjust frame widths using percentages. Instead of setting fixed pixel widths, use percentage-based widths for frames so the content scales fluidly across screen sizes. For example, setting an element's width to 50% ensures it takes up half the space regardless of the screen size. Enable viewport-based scaling. Framer allows you to set elements to resize based on the viewport. This helps ensure that the text, images, and other elements adjust automatically when the user changes the window size. Use breakpoints for mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Framer lets you set breakpoints to define different layouts for different devices. You can customize the design for mobile, tablet, and desktop separately, ensuring a seamless experience across all devices. Preview responsiveness. Use Framer's built-in preview tool to test how the design looks on various screen sizes before publishing.